Mm. Mm. Say hello. Say hello, Beetlejuice. Let's get into these samples. You want to see the samples? You want to see the samples? Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. More samples, I told y'all. Hold on, where the scissors? What's up? What's up? You want to come say hi? Your feet are dirty.
I want to come say hi.
Your feet is dirty. Your feet are dirty. Come say hi.
Dirty feet?
Come here. Come here. This is Beetlejuice. He's purring. You making ear biscuits? Okay. I was wondering what this was. What's up, dude? What is it? Hold on now. What? Okay, what do we got? We got a book. Don't believe everything you think. Sounds like intrusive thoughts, right? So here lately, I've been struggling with intrusive thoughts because I have hit rock bottom. Why your thinking is the beginning and end of suffering. So I have hit rock bottom. I turned 40 years old. I got divorced. I moved back from Ohio. I had my own place. I had a car. Now I have no car, no place. I stay with my mother. And I have nothing. Yay! Rock bottom. So now we're starting up from zero. I'm not so bummed about the relationship. I'm more bummed about not having a car in my own place anymore. So that I'm bummed about. So I'm going to read this book. I'm going to read some other books to try to help with, because I think we lack that in the Black community. Financial literacy and just knowing about budgeting and different things to help you, you know, if you got $100, if you spend 80 of it, you know what I mean? So you have to know how to budget and do different things. And if we weren't taught, I guess we're going to have to start teaching ourselves. And the good thing is that we have modern technology. We can ask ChatGPT. I was asking him some questions about budgeting and manifestation. I also asked him about meditation. And I realized that I used to do meditation when I was in yoga, ironically. So yeah, I didn't even realize that I knew how to do it. I'm like, how do you meditate? I'm like, okay, so when I was in yoga, we were meditating? I didn't even know, but okay, but yeah. So we're starting over with that. That's one of our samples that we got from the TikTok shop. Thank you, Joseph Gwynn. I don't know how you say that, but I'm hoping I'm saying it right. I know I'm not, but thank you so much for sending me your book. I'm going to promote it on my TikTok account. Let's get into the next sample. And let's go, baby. Ooh, what do we have here? Ooh. So this is like a cleansing brush, and it's got like the soap and stuff in there. I think it's Korean. Is it Korean skincare? That looks Chinese. Normally, stuff is Korean. I'm not sure about this one. But the ingredients look okay. Glucoside. Ethanol, okay, yeah. Z-Cormate. Oh no, it's leaky. Oh no, look at that. I didn't even realize it was leaky. Oh my. And they had it sealed. Oh no. Look at that. Oh no. It looks like a good majority of it leaked out. Oh, this is weird. I need to quit. I can't even talk. I need to quit requesting shit on the TikTok. What is this? When I saw this, it looked small, right? This is too big. I guess it's okay. And then the shit leaked out. Ain't that some shit? So, okay, I see the holes right there. So this isn't closed any type of way? No wonder it leaked out. And see, here lately, I just been requesting crazy shit on TikTok Shop. I ain't even been doing the video. I'm supposed to do a video to this shit. I didn't do it because it kind of irritated my lips. And I'm like, I don't think I like that. But the lady that did the video that sold me on this serum, her video was good as fine. I had to go put in a free request. But this right here, this is Round Lab. Theirs is good. Their hyaluronic acid I could put on my lips and then put on my Lipsarin, CMP Lipsarin, and I'm good. I don't have any irritation. And the good thing about their products, it's made from recycled plastic. So, you know, the green girls, yes, I got you. But this, next, let's see. Okay, I'm definitely going to read that book because these intrusive thoughts got to go. All right, let's get into the next sample. What is it? Okay, another cleanser by Dr. Malexin. If that's how you say it, I don't know. But I got the other stuff that came from them with the peels. These exfoliators by Dr. Malexin too. So now we have the cleanser, bubble foam cleanser. That'll probably be fine. I don't know who that other Amormico. Yeah. Anyway. Okay, there's that one. Looks nice and pretty. Looks normal. Normal little dispenser. Can't wait to try that. Calamine and niacinamide. And we got one more. What you want to come say hi? Yeah, where do I go? Okay, and this was like some pore pads, pore tightening toner pads. Yes, can't wait to use that. This is definitely Korean, I could tell. I don't know how I could tell, but I could just tell. I ain't gonna get into all that, but I could just tell. Rice jelly pads infused with rice extract and non-peptides for plumper, shinier skin and minimize pores, honey. I can't wait to, oh, they got good ingredients and they got no parabens or nothing crazy like that. Hyaluronic acid and some rice extract and some other shit. Okay, due to the nature of the jelly pad made from bamboo yarns with added cellulose, I don't know what that's at. The pad may become disarranged when used for the first time or when not in use. This is not a defect and you can use it without any issues. To prevent the content from evaporating, please make sure to close it. Okay, so yeah. It's got collagen, peptide 9, and rice extracts for my pores. Yeah, that cleanser. Yeah, this one reminds me kind of like the way the Medicube ones is. So you have the little grabbers there. What, Beetlejuice? What is it? You want to say bye? Because that's the end of the video. I'll read something from the book. Don't believe everything you think. Although pain is inevitable, suffering is optional. This book offers a completely new paradigm. Did I say it right? I don't know. And misunderstanding. I can't even read. This book offers a completely new paradigm and understanding of where our human experience comes from, allowing us to end our own suffering and create how we want to feel at any moment. And that's what I've been struggling with here lately. Disappointment. Disappointment. So let's read some more. In this book, you'll discover the root cause of all psychological and emotional suffering and how to end it, how to become unaffected by negative thoughts and feelings, how to experience unconditional love, peace, joy, and the present. No matter what our external circumstances look like, how to instantly create a new experience of life. What? How to instantly create a new experience of life if you don't like the one you're in right now. How to break free from a negative thought loop when we inevitably get caught in one. How to let go of anxiety, self-doubt, self-sabotage, and any self-destructive habits. How to effortlessly create from a state of abundance, flow, and ease. How to develop the superpower of being okay with not knowing and uncertainty. How to access your intuition and inner wisdom that goes beyond the limitations of thinking. So we're going to read that. And we'll see you guys next time. Say bye. Say bye. Until next time.